Welcome to Health Sketchbook. I'm Bobby, and I create whiteboard animations that make health education simple, engaging, and accessible for everyone. Have you ever struggled to understand complex health information? Or found medical advice confusing and overwhelming? Well, you're not alone. That's exactly why I started this channel. Through these animated videos, we transform complicated health concepts into clear, visual stories that anyone can understand. We'll explore nutrition facts, fitness tips, mental wellness strategies, and everyday health habits, all based on scientific research and presented in a way that's both educational and entertaining. Whether you're a visual learner, a busy professional, a student, or just someone who wants to make better health choices, you'll find these animations perfect for your learning style. Each week, we'll tackle a new health topic through these engaging whiteboard animations. From decoding nutrition labels to understanding exercise science, we make learning about health actually enjoyable. So if you're ready to finally understand your health in a way that makes sense and sticks with you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly health animations. Let's sketch our way to better health together. Welcome to the Health Sketchbook family.